Hello class, how are you? Today we're going to talk about different health problems. Remember, we have different health problems, aches. Remember, tooth ache, toothache. When a tooth hurts, you say, I have a toothache. Then what else here? Earache. Oh, my ear hurts. So you say, I have an ear ache. Earache. Earache. So we have to remember ache, A-C-H-E. Toothache, earache. What other problems we can have that ends in ache? Something in your back. Backache. So earache, toothache, ow, ow. Backache. How about our head when it hurts? Oh, my head hurts. You say, I have a headache. 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 So remember, the word at the end is ache, A-C-H-E, toothache, earache, backache, headache. So these are the ones that end in the word ache, okay? So now we're going to talk about other health problems like, sorry about my board, it doesn't erase very well. So, I have a fever. Actually, I'm going to use another. Fever is when you take your temperature under the arm and it's more than 37 degrees. So if you have 38, you have a fever. If you have 36, it's no fever. I have a fever. What else? How about your throat? You don't say I have a throat ache. You don't say that. You say I have a sore throat. Sore throat. Sore is when, like, I hit myself by mistake or I fall and it's like, oh, it's sore. Oh, it's sore. Sore, it hurts. Sore throat. Th is TH, is the sound th. Throat. Sore throat. So you can have a fever, sore throat. What else you can have? What other problem? Let's see. Backache, or you can have, what is when you go like this? That's a cough. So this word is tricky because it has so many letters, right? Like cough. But how do I pronounce cough from that? So this first sound is k. The O-U in this case becomes O, like O, ko. So this becomes one sound. O-U becomes O. And the G-H becomes F, like flower, right? I know that GH is something difficult in English. Sometimes it's not pronounced and sometimes it's pronounced F. So, K-O-F, cough. I have a cough. Okay. Then we have, did we say stomachache? I think we forgot about stomachache. Stomachache. Stomach. So stomach is your stomach where you eat. Goes to your stomach. So when it hurts, you ate something and your stomach hurts. It's like, oh, I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache. So this CH, is not pronounced. So you say stomach. It's not, you don't say stomach. You say stomach. Stomach ache. Now, when I write the word ache, what does it mean, the word ache? Ache is when it's a pain in some part of your body. So, toothache, you have pain in your tooth. Pain in your stomach, you have stomach ache. Sometimes people say it's achy. When something hurts, it's achy. So, ache. We don't pronounce achy because this E we don't pronounce. And then the CH is not pronounced ch, it's no H, it's ache. Sometimes in English, most of the times CH at the beginning of a word, like CH like children. So children, the word CH at the beginning of a word is always ch, ch, ch. But at the end of a word, sometimes it becomes k. So ache. And then it has the E at the end. I know, it's very tricky, this word. Another word for when we have health problems, or we're not feeling well, you probably, when you are sneezing and you go, achoo, achoo, and you blow your nose, you say you have a cold, cold, cold. When you say, I have a cold, it means you're sick, you're a little bit sick. So, cold is the same word when you are cold. I'm cold, I am cold, which is different than I have a cold. So let's see the difference. I have a cold. Sorry, let's put the other the other A there. I have a cold. I am cold. I have a cold or I am cold. That's different. So that's different. So if I go outside in winter and it's snowing, I will be like, I am cold. I am so cold. I'm cold. But when you are sick and you're not feeling well and you're achoo, you say, I have a cold. Okay, bye-bye.